Thank you. Here is a reception. Bapu. Luxembourg. So look at this here. During the daytime, and there is a bridge to cross the train line. So beautiful. Now I will enter my room. My room is 407. So this is 8. And here it is. So this is my room. So big LED light is there. 1, 2. This is my bed actually. I sleep here yesterday night. And there is a 2 bed. Means 4 person are sleeping in this room. And this is a space, using common space you can use. You put it your luggage here like this. All are, each bed they are providing one. Those bed is quite good. You will see the washroom. This is just only washroom for the shower. It's so big and it's so clean. One more thing, here also some space is there, so you can use. It's quite good. And here is a toilet, so you can use this one as a model. So this is a accommodation of youth hostel, you can call youth hostel. So outside the room view, so many restaurants are there. Domino's also here in walking distance. So it's beautiful place to spend here night. The outside the building, look at this here, train station. I exit here train, just round this building and come here. And one more advantage, lift is available here. The 5th floor building is this. My room is in 4th floor. If you are coming early, so you can see here some of the beautiful scenic attraction also, you can say. This is train station. Some of the restaurant bars also available here. The room. So a restaurant is -1. So my breakfast is here. 0 floor reception is this. Some meeting room also available. And 2nd floor to 5th floor rooms are available. -1. Now my time is to breakfast. Go. So here is my breakfast. Now I'm eating. If you are traveling alone, so such kind of hostel is very affordable in budget, and they are providing good services also. Yeah, breakfast also good. If you are coming in Luxembourg, especially on tourist or work, and you are alone, so as a my recommendation, you can prefer as a youth hostel. It's very cheap, quality breakfast, and public transportation here is absolutely free. And all 5 youth hostels are available on Luxembourg, different region. So all youth hostel very near to all public transportation for the reaching and exit the specific youth hostel. If you really like this video, so don't miss, subscribe our YouTube channel Traveling Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.